Hello friends, welcome to my famous, well-known, creative, popular and unique educational channel. To watch more creative videos on Streamlit using Python. Let us begin with the C of Streamlit. As we have gone through many videos on Streamlit such as face detection, face recognition, many more videos on Streamlit with face recognition, attendance system, many videos on attendance system using Streamlit. I will be also back with new videos on attendance system using Streamlit, new videos, age and gender detection using Streamlit, face recognition from frame picture using Streamlit, login tutorial using Streamlit because Streamlit is the front-end tool for machine learning, chatbot using Streamlit and many more videos on Streamlit. Today's video is really innovative, creative and interesting. So let us go through the face detection in different style in today's video. Today I will not show my face, but today I will be showing you again Shah Rukh Khan face. So let us go through the program first. This is about the program, face detection in different manner. The code is very large, so it is difficult to explain each and every line. So I will execute the program. Yes, a screen has been displayed. Now I will take the image. Yes, RK. Yes, Shah Rukh Khan. Now face smiles. Here eyes are also smiling of Shah Rukh Khan. We can say yes, smile. Yes, fine. Now eyes. Yes, eyes are there. So, fine. Now Kanzani process. Yes, fine. Grayscale, contrast, brightness, blurring, different original. These are the front-end tools. Since Streamlit is a front-end tool, you can enjoy a lot of things using Streamlit, but it is only front-end tool for machine learning, not for like React and Node. For web development it is not possible. Yes. So I successfully done with face detection using Streamlit in very different style. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back with more and more creative videos on Streamlit, face recognition, machine learning, face recognition using then age and gender detection, more videos on Streamlit, if possible React and Node.js, MERN stack, full stack, if possible Python with MERN stack, full stack, and many more videos. So please keep watching my videos, latest videos on youtube.com. Please subscribe my channel so I can be enthusiastic to post new videos, and thanks for watching.